Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on daily tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can log in to the Australia and New Zealand banking group. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. After you've made sure that you're connected to the internet, open up a web browser. Once the web browser is open up on your screen, type in www.anz.com.au and hit enter. Once the home page of the ANZ opens up on your screen, on the right side of your screen you'll see a small tab which will allow you to log in to your account. First of all, you will have to choose what type of banking you want and then click on the login button. After you click on the login button, you will be directed to another page where you will have to fill in some credentials. You will have to fill in your customer registration number here, your password here, and then hit the login button. Once you hit the login button, and if you have filled in your credentials correctly, you'll be automatically logged in to the ANZ Bank. I hope this video helped you to log into the ANZ Bank. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.